Transform your future at ALOA 2024 in Las Vegas. Join us July 22nd to 28th at the South Point Hotel and Casino. All the components you need for a bright future will be right here. Revolutionize your career by learning from the industry's best instructors and hands-on classes. Make new connections and power up your career to the next level. Need a mentor? You'll get one here. Get hands-on access to the latest products and technology at the Security Expo, now on Saturday and Sunday. Meet one-on-one with suppliers to learn more and take advantage of show specials and maybe win some prizes too. The future is in your hands, and your future starts at ALOA 2024 in Las Vegas. Learn more at aloa.org.